Designing a dual-band microstrip patch antenna with ANSYS HFSS. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of RF design, specifically focusing on designing a dual-band microstrip patch antenna using ANSYS HFSS. A microstrip patch antenna is known for its compact size and ease of fabrication. We'll be designing one that operates at 2 frequencies. Using ANSYS HFSS, we can simulate our design to analyze key parameters such as return loss, gain, and voltage standing wave ratio, VSWR. After running our simulations, we'll display the return loss to ensure our antenna is well matched, along with the gain to assess its performance. Finally, we'll check the VSWR, ensuring it's below 2 for optimal performance. Let's get started on this design journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more RF design tutorials.